What is up, you guys? It is Parker here with DecoExchange. Y'all, we've got another great tutorial out today, and I just wanted to remind you guys to subscribe to our channel, like the video down below, and at the very least, y'all, leave us a comment and let us know what you think. Hope you enjoy.
I think I want one of these pumpkins on the bike wheel. So we're going to attempt to cut one off. We'll see how it goes. Got it. This little pumpkin was from the at-home store. I'm trying to decide if we want to trim this stem again. So I'm thinking it's going to be hard to hide all that extra. Okay, so now with this cut smaller, we can layer those two pieces on top of each other. And it'll just look a little bit better. So we can make them a little bit shorter. And then you won't have all that stem to hide. So zip ties are going to be our friend. Now, this little star right here, I'm just going to manually bend it so that they're not quite so on top of each other. Y'all, and, okay, see how it's still a little wobbly? This little pumpkin luckily has a little metal rod on the back. Let's get ourselves a little bow made. So y'all, we're going to start with our 4-inch ribbon. We're going to do about a 12-inch tail. Y'all, that 12-inch tail is based off of, if I tie my bow here and it hangs down, I want it to be a little bit longer than my project. All right, so I highly recommend that you pinch it and give it a twist so that you have the pretty side and the ugly side. And then put that twist right into your bow maker. Y'all, we're going to measure out about 6 inches. All right, so there's our 4-inch. Now let's throw in some 1.5. Y'all, let's just use this orange Swiss dot because it's available. Y'all, so we're just doing a layer of each size with some little loops. All right, last ribbon. Y'all, this is just a little one loop right in the center. It'll help us hide our pipe cleaner. Get that bow tied off. Y'all, so all I did was run it around that metal pipe from the pumpkin sign and around the spokes. Now, y'all, don't hide our pumpkin. We can't hide our pumpkin. We want it to just kind of be peeking out. All right, let's trim our tails up. Ooh, we got the big scissors tonight. We're playing risky. Look how cute it is already. So this thing, me and Sylvia actually found last year here at, I thought it was at the at-home store. Yeah, at the at-home store. Pre-corona, whenever you could have friends and go shop together. So I thought I might use a few of these leaves. So I'm going to take that one stem that I cut off and look at all the different stems that I can cut off and trim it down some more. So now we've got a little bit of more texture in there. I was going to use these, but I didn't grab any ribbon that matches him, so that's a no. All right, on these, we're going to want to trim that up a bit. All right, we're going to want to get as much of the glue as we can around this tip, and then we're going to work this right into our bow. Y'all, I think this one's done.